My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Worked on a Honda Accord. We changed the alternator. And I'm going to show you the difference on the battery. The car is running right now. Go ahead and turn the car off. All right, so now you're seeing a surface charge. The battery going down is a surface charge. Now I want you to pay attention to that number right there when she turns the key. Go ahead and turn the key. And you saw how low it dropped. It dropped all the way at the threshold of 9 volts. This is exactly what I mean by you have to have the power in the battery when you're putting a load on the car, trying to start the car, and you're going to put a load on the vehicle. And as you can see, the alternator is doing what it's supposed to do. Always have a good battery in this car, and you can see when the key was turned, it went from 12 and dropped all the way down to 9 at the threshold, and it almost didn't start. I will have to use my jumper again. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.